Got a tiny apartment or balcony, but dream of growing your own plants? You don't need a sprawling yard to become a gardener. In this video, we're showing you how to build a vertical garden that transforms even the smallest spaces into a lush, productive growing area. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your vertical structure. You have several options: wall-mounted planters, a trellis system, tiered shelving, or even a pallet garden. Pick something that fits your space and can support the weight of soil and water. For most small spaces, a lightweight metal shelf or wall-mounted pocket planter works great and takes up zero floor space. Step 2. Assess your light conditions. Vertical gardens need sunlight, at least 3 to 6 hours daily, depending on what you're growing. Check where the sun hits your space throughout the day. If you're on a north-facing wall with limited light, stick to shade-tolerant plants like lettuce, spinach, or herbs like parsley. Sunny spots can handle tomatoes, peppers, and basil. Step 3. Install your structure securely. Use proper wall anchors rated for the weight you'll be adding. Soil and water get heavy fast. For renters, look for tension rods or freestanding tiered shelves that don't require drilling. Make sure everything is level and stable before adding any plants. A wobbly garden is a dangerous garden. Step 4. Fill with quality soil and choose your plants. Use lightweight potting mix, not heavy garden soil. It drains better and is easier on your structure. Start with easy winners: herbs like basil and mint, leafy greens like lettuce, or trailing plants like strawberries. Pack the soil gently, water thoroughly, and space plants so they have room to grow. Pro tip: don't overcrowd your plants. It's tempting to fill every pocket, but cramped plants compete for water and nutrients, and poor airflow invites mold and pests. Space them out even if some pockets stay empty at first. Your garden will thank you with healthier, more productive growth. Ready to grow green in your small space? Learn more gardening techniques at Sikho.ai, where every skill is just a few minutes away.